How to fix unable to verify application or an internet connection error is required and unable to verify Scarlet on your iOS application. How can you simply fix this issue and fix the verify application? You're getting the unable to verify app message on your iPhone because your device cannot confirm the developer's identity for the Scarlet app. This usually happens with there an issue with your internet connection or device setting. Here are some troubleshooting steps you can try. Firstly, check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable Wi Fi or cellular data connection. If you are on Wi Fi, try forgetting the network and reconnecting. Second is verifying your device setting. Ensure your iPhone's date and time are set to automatic. Disconnect any VPN you might be using. Check if the content and privacy restriction allows app download in the setting application of your iPhone device. Now update your device. Running the latest iOS version can resolve compatibility issues with the app. Go to the setting, general, and then software update and install any available updates there. Fourth is resetting network setting. This will erase all of your saved Wi-Fi password. So be prepared to re-enter them later. Go to the setting, general, and then reset iPhone. Now, if you have done all this thing, you simply have to install the Scarlet application on your device and then you can try to restart your application from the process of zero. Here are some additional resources that you might find helpful, YouTube or anything other. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel for watching more videos like this.